Opening a trading account. To open a trading account with Exness, you should first register your own personal space on our website, which is called the Personal Area. To register a personal area, go to the registration page on exness.com. Enter your mobile phone number with your country code, email, and the password you wish to use to log into your personal area. Enter the activation codes sent to your mobile phone and email. After this step has been completed, your personal area will have been created. To continue with registration, enter your general information and read and accept all legal documents. After that, choose one of the security types. Depending on the security type you choose, you will get a verification code via SMS or email every time you withdraw funds or change certain settings in your personal area. Next, set up a secret word using a combination of 6 to 10 English letters and numbers. You will need the secret word when contacting our support team. It cannot be changed or restored, so make sure you save it. Finally, enter your personal information and fill in your residential address. Now, choose the trading platform you would like to open an account for and click the plus sign. Choose the account type and select the maximum leverage and currency for your account. Enter your trading password, which will be used for trading on the platform, and investor password that others can use to access the platform to evaluate your trading. That's it. Your trading account has now been created. The next steps are to verify your identity and address by uploading supporting documents, deposit funds, and start trading. Thank you for choosing Exness.